How to get Truth social app on unsupported country or region. So if you want to get Truth social app on your unsupported country or region, then first you need to check your Play Store or your App Store and search for Truth Social, and this is the application. Now if you have an install button, you can go and install it, but if you don't find the install button, then what you need to do is just simply go with your Play Store or your App Store ID, go with the top right which has that profile section. From the profile you need to just go with settings, and under settings you need to go with general, and you need to change your location or your region. So go with account and device preferences, and here you will have country and profiles. You need to go with the country, select the country or tap on the country and change your country. Once you've changed your country or your region, like for example you need to select United States or the country in which you have Truth social app. Once you change your country or region, then you'll be able to find the application and you'll be able to install it. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.